Back to the issue I outlined about drone strikes. I would say there is something fishy here because even if Ukraine has this technology with this long-range drones, which neither the US nor Russia has,
and they're old too, right?
Why wouldn't they use it in the conflict zone?
Or earlier, right? Use it earlier.
Aren't these drones super old too?
Yes, it's the Soviet drones. It's those Soviet.
Yeah,
they
like
use
rocket powered, right? Or jet powered.
Yeah, and I believe that it's like you need to crank some gears kind of thing to do the coordinates. Man. But it's effective. It's like super effective. Like even the NATO air defense did not catch it when they dropped into, I think, Czech Republic.
Which is weird.
Which is weird. There? They fly the wrong direction.
Yeah.
So
was it a do you guys know if it was a malfunction of its like GPS system, or was it did they launch it on purpose or something?
I don't think there's GPS system. It's all manual. It's like old
rough.
Soviet pre-computer kind of.
Yeah, I guess I was just assuming they upgraded it a little bit.
And it's funny how effective it is. It still managed to hit Russia, and the Russia have no idea how to stop it. And that's the beautiful part of it.
Didn't the last time it got through? Didn't the last time they launched that strike, it went like between a Russian air defense, like they had their system set up and they found like a weakness in it. They sent it right in the middle. That's what I read. That's how they got through.
Well, if you fly 50 feet off the ground.
Well, yeah, that's like, that. I mean, of course, that absolutely adds.
Can't even pick up trees. I mean, these drones don't have to fly very fast. I mean, look at the North Koreans flew around the south for 7 hours.
Yeah, what was that about? Can we talk about
7 hours and all the way to Seoul?
Yeah, there's the big news today, which I saw on the pro-Russian sources, where the North Korean sent, I think, 5 drones across the DMZ, and then the South Korean seems to have zero ideas how to stop it. It's a bit like the Turkish drones that Garam 2 that is flying into Ukraine, and Ukraine have no idea how to stop them. They send the fighter jets.
Iran is Iranian.
Yeah, so they flew the fighters to intercept, and then they crashed. So the South Koreans actually crashed one jet, one of their K1 jets, trying to intercept the drone, which is like hilarious to me.
Well, how did that actually happen? I mean, it's kind of funny because you'd think this technologically advanced country could shoot down a couple drones, but it actually opens up a lot more. Is the South Korean military ready for a conflict involving like modern day technology? Because they've been preparing for North Korea's like mass artillery strikes and all this kind of stuff, right? But could South Korea hold off a drone strike like that?